The Leica Q4 is steadily becoming one of the most anticipated premium compact cameras in the photography world, even though Leica has not officially confirmed its development. As early 2026 continues, discussion around the Leica Q4 has intensified, driven by consistent leaks, analyst predictions, and industry expectations. Positioned as the successor to the Leica Q3, the Leica Q4 is expected to refine the formula of a fixed-lens full-frame camera while introducing modern performance upgrades that align with today's hybrid shooting demands. At the heart of the Leica Q4 rumors is a major upgrade to the imaging sensor. The Leica Q3 already delivered exceptional image quality with its high-resolution full-frame sensor, but the Leica Q4 is widely expected to take a step forward with a stacked CMOS sensor architecture. This type of sensor is designed to significantly increase readout speed, improve overall efficiency, and enhance responsiveness. Some early speculation even suggests that the resolution could rise to approximately 60 to 64 megapixels, although this remains unconfirmed. If true, it would place the Leica Q4 among the highest resolution compact full-frame cameras ever made. The advantage of a stacked sensor goes beyond resolution alone. Faster readout performance would reduce rolling shutter distortion, especially during fast movement, handheld shooting, or quick panning shots. This improvement would be particularly valuable for street photographers and travel creators who often work in unpredictable environments where capturing the decisive moment is critical. Combined with Leica's signature color rendering and natural tonal reproduction, the Leica Q4 is expected to maintain its distinctive image character while becoming more responsive and versatile. Autofocus performance is another key area where the Leica Q4 is expected to evolve. While the Leica Q3 already provides reliable autofocus, the Q4 is rumored to introduce a more advanced subject detection system. This could include improved eye tracking for human subjects, more accurate animal detection, and smarter predictive tracking algorithms designed to maintain focus on moving subjects with greater consistency. These improvements would make the camera more dependable in fast-paced shooting situations such as street photography, documentary work, and candid portraiture. Video capabilities are also expected to see meaningful improvements in the Leica Q4. One of the primary expected upgrades is improved thermal management, which would allow for longer continuous recording without overheating interruptions. This would make the camera more practical for extended video shoots, interviews, and travel filmmaking where reliability is essential. In terms of recording options, the Leica Q4 may also introduce expanded video performance. Some rumors suggest that 4K recording could support higher frame rates, potentially reaching up to 120 FPS for smooth slow-motion footage. More ambitious speculation includes the possibility of 8K recording at 30 FPS, though this is far from confirmed and would represent a major leap for the Q series. Regardless of the final implementation, the Leica Q4 is expected to prioritize clean, natural-looking video that aligns with Leica's minimalist and image-first philosophy. The display and viewfinder system is also expected to receive significant upgrades. One of the most discussed improvements is a higher resolution electronic viewfinder, potentially reaching around 9.44 million dots. This would offer an extremely detailed and accurate preview of the scene, helping photographers achieve precise composition and focus even in challenging lighting conditions. The rear screen is also widely expected to be fully articulating, marking a major usability improvement over previous models. This would allow photographers to shoot from a variety of angles, including low perspectives, overhead compositions, and front-facing setups for self-recording or hybrid content creation. Combined with a more refined interface and improved touch screen responsiveness, the Leica Q4 could offer a noticeably smoother and more intuitive user experience. Stabilization is another area where improvements are expected. The Leica Q4 may feature enhanced in-body image stabilization, potentially offering up to 8 stops of compensation. If achieved, this would significantly improve handheld shooting performance in low light and allow photographers to use slower shutter speeds with greater confidence. For a compact, travel-oriented camera, this would add meaningful flexibility in real-world use. From a design standpoint, the Leica Q4 is expected to maintain the brand's signature minimalist and premium aesthetic while introducing subtle refinements. These may include improved ergonomics, a more comfortable grip, and minor adjustments to button placement for better usability. There is also speculation that Leica could slightly reduce the overall weight to improve portability. Despite these changes, the camera is expected to retain its weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, ensuring durability in professional and outdoor environments. The fixed lens system is expected to remain unchanged, with the Leica Q4 continuing to use the well-regarded 28mm f1.7 Summilux lens. This lens is a defining element of the Q series and is unlikely to be replaced. However, Leica may still refine optical coatings or internal adjustments to improve contrast, reduce flare, and enhance overall sharpness. When paired with a higher resolution sensor, this lens would continue to deliver the signature Leica rendering known for its natural, film-like aesthetic. Connectivity and software features are also expected to improve. Faster wireless performance, more stable connections, and enhanced integration with Leica's mobile ecosystem could streamline image transfer and sharing. This would be especially important for modern photographers who rely on fast workflows between camera and smartphone or editing applications. Overall, the Leica Q4 appears to be shaping up as a careful evolution rather than a complete redesign. It is expected to enhance performance, responsiveness, autofocus intelligence, and usability while preserving the core identity of the Q series. Even without official confirmation, the consistency of current rumors suggests that Leica is actively developing its next-generation compact full-frame camera. If these expectations prove accurate, the Leica Q4 could become one of the most refined and desirable compact cameras in its segment, combining modern imaging technology with Leica's timeless design philosophy in a highly portable form.